Ellie from the YouLi support team here to talk you through how you can have your travelers sign up in a group on YouLi and pay together and complete tasks together. So you find the place where you can enable this, how you can enable what we call invitation groups on YouLi by going to your Update Trip and then your Settings tab. So once you click there, you're going to be able to see the section that says allow travelers to register in invitation groups. Again, invitation groups is what we call it on the back end of YouLi, but that could be allowing your travelers to sign up as a couple, a group of friends, maybe a team, a family, right? So that they can pay together and do tasks together, as well as have like a group name to label them all. I do want to make sure you're aware that if you don't have your travelers do this upon registration, you can still do this on the backside of YouLi manually as the planner. In this case, I am going to go ahead and adjust this. So I click the no or the pencil, and I'm going to go ahead and allow people to sign up into teams. I'm going to let them sign up into teams of either 2 or 3. So the max number of people per my group is going to be 3 people. And I'm going to label the number that people need to sign up for to be a number in team, right? I'm telling them how many people are you signing up with? Are you registering with? The label for my group name is actually going to be team name, right? Because I want them to label themselves what they want their team name to be. And then the label for the members of their group, instead of it being member name, I'm going to change that to team member name, team members names. I'm going to go ahead and leave the instructions as the default, but you can also change that at any time. I'm going to go ahead and click Save Changes again, just to ensure everything is good. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you what it's like to register as a traveler. So I clicked the share trip link. Since this is a private trip, I'm going to go ahead and change it to public. Click the public there, press save. Once again, click the share link. I'm going to take this public link and now put it into my URL on a different tab of my browser. And then I'm seeing this as if I was just coming from your website or from a Facebook post or somewhere where you are getting your travelers to sign up. I'm going to go ahead and express interest on this trip, and I'm going to say my name. I'm going to give my email. And then I'm going to let you know what my number in team is. And let's say I'm going to sign up with 3. Notice that there's 2 people here, or 2. This is where you can add any instructions that you want to share. I'm going to go ahead and name my team the red team. And then I'm going to go ahead and name my Ellie person team member. And I'm going to go ahead and express interest. Once I express interest, I'm going to go ahead now and hop back into the editing part of the trip so you can see how everything looks for you on the planner side. So I'm going to click into Manage People. And then I can see here, I now have Ellie Huizinga, right? That one traveler registered on the red team. I can also see, right, that I'm a part of the red team group. And then I can also see that Ellie's person team member, right, which was that second person that I signed up with, is also part of the red team. And if I lower, I can see red team there as well. So if you have any other questions about invitation groups and how you can help manage your travelers in YouLi as a group, be sure to click this help button and search our help documentation, and feel free to reach out to us via that chat box as well.